Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download and install Oracle 23 AI software. Open browser, open google.com. In the search bar, just type Oracle 23 AI software download. Oracle 23 AI software download. In the Google search bar, just type Oracle 23 AI software download. Open first window, open first link. Okay, here below, download Oracle database free for Windows button is there. Just click on this download button. It is downloading Oracle software now. It is downloading Oracle 23 AI software. Please wait. Now software downloaded successfully. I'm going to that software location. Software downloaded in default downloads location. In default downloads location, software downloaded. I want to install this software now. So I'm going to C drive. In C drive, I'm creating one folder, one new folder I'm creating with the name Oracle. So here I want to extract that zip file. So go to downloads. In the downloads, just now we downloaded this software. Extract this zip file now. Right click on it, select extract files option, then go to C drive, C drive, here select C drive, extract C drive here. The C drive Oracle folder is there, just now we created. There I want to copy this zip file. So click on OK. It is extracting files there. Now zip file extracted here. So open C drive. The C drive in the Oracle folder software extracted. In this one setup file is there. Just right click on this setup file. Okay, select open option or run as administrator. Okay, do you want to allow? Yes. Now it installs Oracle software now. Now it is installing Oracle software. Okay, just go through with the wizard. Click on next button. It is asking license agreement. Select I accept. Click on next button. Okay, where you want to install? Okay, default location is this one. So I'm not changing anything here. In default location only I want to install. So I'm clicking on next button. It is asking set one password for DBA. For DBA username is system. And give the password here and remember this password. I'm giving password as Naresh IT here. Confirm password. Same I'm giving. So this is password for system user. System is the DBA's username. For this user, password is Naresh IT. Click on next button. So where it is installing software, that location it is showing. Okay, click on install button. Now it is installing the software. It takes some time, please wait. Now it is installing Oracle 23AI software. Now, software installed successfully. Just I'm clicking on finish button. Now, software installed successfully. Just click on finish button. So along with Oracle software, SQL Plus also installed here. Just I'm opening SQL Plus here. Press Windows R. Type SQL Plus command. It is displaying SQL Plus window. Give username here. I'm giving DBA username as system. Okay. It is asking password. At the time of Oracle installation, we have given some password. I'm giving that password now. Naresh IT I have given. Press enter key. It is displaying as connected to Oracle database. Now, who is the current user? If you want to check, just type show user. Current user is system DBA. As DBA, I want to create one user now. So how to create the user? Create user. Give the username here. I'm giving username as C hash hash. Raju I'm giving. Identified by, give the password here. I'm giving password as Kumar. User is created. User created, okay, but he cannot log in now. He cannot log in. So for login, permission is required. So grant for login, give connect permission here. Connect permission. With connect permission, Raju can log in, but Raju cannot create the tables. For creating tables, procedures, functions, packages, triggers, give this resource permission. With resource permission, Raju can create the tables, but Raju cannot insert the records. Raju cannot use memory. To use memory, give the permission, unlimited table space. So after creating the user, give these three permissions. Connect is the permission for login. Resource is the permission for creating tables. Unlimited table space is the permission for inserting records. Two, to whom we are giving these permissions? To Raju. C hash hash Raju. So Raju user created. As Raju user, I want to log in now. So to log in from SQL command prompt, just write connect C hash hash Raju. Now current user is Raju now. I'm giving password as Kumar. Okay, observe here, Raju user connected. So in the future, if you want to practice, just open SQL Plus, press Windows R. Okay, type SQL Plus. Now I want to log in as, just now we created Raju user. Login as Raju user, C hash hash Raju. Okay. Password is Kumar. As Raju user, I'm logging in. It is connected to server successfully. Now I want to create one table now. Just write like this. Create table T1. Opening parenthesis, first column F1, data type int, bracket close, semicolon. Table created. To insert the records, write like this. Insert into T1 values. What record inserted? Second record I'm inserting. Okay, sorry. Second record I'm inserting. Insert into T1 values. T2. Second record inserted. Okay. To save this data, just write commit. To open and see the table data, write select star from T1. Like this, you can create the tables. You can practice as user. So this is the way of downloading and installing Oracle software. After installing Oracle software, create one user like this. Just now I created Raju user like that. Create one user as user, you can practice.